Yeah. More chunk right here. More chunk. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Hey, what's up everyone? Hopefully you guys are doing great. In this video, me and my brother-in-law, we rode down the CHUMASH trail in Rocky Peak. I just decided to try a different trail in the Rocky Peak trail system because I've always done Hummingbird and the Grudge trail. So we went up the Rocky Peak trail for 4 miles and then the CHUMASH trail is 3 miles going down. At the very beginning, it starts off as a black diamond trail, because there's a lot of technical rock gardens, but then at the very end and middle of the trail it becomes blue, it mellows out. But I recommend this trail to those who like technical rock gardens a lot, and even to those who are not used to technical terrain. You can just walk down these rock gardens fortunately and still enjoy the flowy part of this trail. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I recommend you guys ride this trail too. Let's go down. Let's go. CHUMASH trail. Oh snap. Whoa. What the hell? Oh my god. Really technical. Let's start off with. Off the bat, reminds me of the Cold Springs Trail in Santa Barbara. All chunk. Oh. I like it. Okay. Yeah, great. Oh. Oh. I know. Super technical, right? Yeah.
Blue?
I don't think so.
No way.
Not a blue.
I turned the corner at the top and I was like, holy shit.
Right?
How do you do that? You're crazy, man. I don't understand how you do that. I still don't understand. It's like 3-4 rocks that you have to ride on top of.
Yeah.
To get down.
I know, that's the chunk we're talking about.
What'd you even do here? You went on this or you went around?
I just went through.
Oh, rub on the bush. Oh.
Yeah. You got this, Nick. It's still a blue, right?
I guess you went on this?
I think I did go on that.
And you just went down?
Yeah.
With exposure?
With a little bit of exposure, yeah. Honestly, you could pick any line. You just have to have more control. But the easiest one
to the left
is to your right.
On this?
Yeah, on that. Then you just go down like that.
This should not be labeled blue. I'm sorry. It should go by the hardest feature.
Is there such thing as blue, black?
Because it changes to blue in the middle. And the top is like black.
Yeah. For this one, you go a bit more to the left.
Bro, I'm watching this.
Ooh, chunk. Chunk everywhere. Yes, good climb. I love CHUMASH. Amazing trail. Yeah, great chunk. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, great. People underestimate all the chunk on video, but you gotta come here in person to find out. I gotta admit, it's a bit chunkier for the person that's starting out riding. But why not ride this at first a little bit and get a feel for it, just slowly but surely.
I'm done with Rocky Peak after this. It's not for me.
Not for you?
I need like non-chunky forest trails.
Oh, okay. Yeah, then we'll do that more. Okay, the chunk is here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, chunk everywhere. Okay. Great. The hell? No way I'm riding up that.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
You can't climb that?
I don't think anybody can. Okay. Yeah. Okay, more chunk right here. Oh, oh yeah, goes uphill, huh? Okay, let's do it. Yes, I got the uphill. Hell yeah. Good chunk so far at the beginning. Definitely reminds me of Santa Barbara chunk. Okay. Ah. Let me get a little bit of this feature right here. It's nice, huh?
Terrible.
You don't like it?
I can't ride it. What am I gonna like?
Yeah? Oh, okay. Bit of a climb, huh? Yes. Yes. Not gonna lie, those going uphill in those tight areas with a bunch of rocks, it's a bit challenging.
I think this is it.
Right? I don't think it's gonna get as much technical going down compared to there.
It's not. I remember the videos.
Yeah?
They didn't make it seem as long though.
Right?
How'd you climb that? That was a crazy climb.
I know. You know what I do? I do like small pedals like that.
Oh yeah, it's called they have a name for that. So you go back and forward, right? You can't, so you don't hit your pedals on the rock.
Pretty much. I forgot the name.
Torquey?
Track stand. Sort of like a track stand, but you're having a bit of pedal pressure, so you don't end up losing your momentum. And you put it on the easiest gear. If you thought the black here is crazy on that part, come to Tunnel Trail and Cold Springs Trail in Santa Barbara.
I saw that video. It looked absolutely insane. I don't know how you go down those boulders, bro.
Yeah, it makes this look like a green.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Right? Yeah, more chunk. All good chunk. Oh, great chunk everywhere. Yeah. So nice. Great. Okay. Loving the flow here so far. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, that was good. Nice.
That's a pretty crazy feature right here.
It is, yeah. I hugged this part of the trail as much as possible, and then I went down like that.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Or, I mean, you could even go a little bit right here.
You can go like this, right?
You can, but you're gonna slide out a little bit more. Either way.
The way you did it makes more sense because you go up against it to have traction.
Yeah.
And on the way down, if you slide out, it doesn't matter because you're going downhill.
Pretty much, yeah.
Into here.
Yeah, I mean, either way is okay as long as you have control. You more likely have traction on this side than on that side, and you're more likely to be more on it right here if you were to go that way compared to being on this side. More uphill. Always beautiful views up here, no matter where I go. I always cherish these moments, even if it is a slightly less technical trail compared to other trails I've hit. I still love being outside, getting a good cycle going, and enjoying it. Okay, let's go up this steep part. Oh sh! That's a little bit steep part right there. Going up. I'll give it a try.
It's too loose too.
I know. Let me try again. Oh shit! Damn! Almost. Very slippery, yeah. Oh my god, what the hell? Maybe I got it. Oh shit!
I've seen like 3 or 4 videos of different people trying this. And they all failed.
I'll try it. Just a bit more juice. Yes. Oh shit. Okay, 3rd time's a charm. Oh, shit. Yes. Yeah. See what I mean? Always 3rd time's the charm. Yeah. Technical part. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, mother effer. Yeah. Sick. Oh. Almost there, yeah, Nick. Sick. You see, I know you can roll down it. That's pretty good.
Whoa, you go so fast, it's crazy.
I know.
How the fuck?
Yep. You gotta get a feel for it. Yeah, you got it, Nick. Oh, oh. So many pebbles in the middle of the trail. Oh shit. Wow. Okay. A lot of technical chunk here. Ah, so much pebbles everywhere. Damn. Yeah, man. Can't imagine how many pebbles there are here. Oh, whoa. You can slide out at any time. Ooh, ooh. Oh, so much good wind out here. Sick. sick. That was good. What's up, guys? Oh yeah, sick. Oh, sick. Oh yeah, sick. I love it. Oh wow, that was amazing. Yeah. Okay, now I know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's narrow. It's getting looser. Okay, I think we're good. Oh my god, so much overgrown stuff. Ah, I don't want to relive last week. Man, everywhere is so overgrown. Look at this. Ah! Oh my god. Getting hit in the face with all these plants. Ah! Beautiful. Interesting path we're going on.
This is a blue.
Oh yeah? How is this a blue? It's barely a green. Okay, let's enjoy what's left of the end of this trail. Yeah.
And that was the Chumash Trail. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more mountain biking content on this channel. And hopefully I get to see more trails in the future. See you in the next one.